Hi everyone, my name is Sagar. I am working as project engineer in Amplify Infra Private Limited. Today I am going to explain about slab concreting. The procedure and checks to be done for slab concreting are: before starting the concreting work, slab area should be clean from dust particles, nails, papers, etc. As soon as concreting starts, check whether the given grade is M20 proportion is followed. Concrete should be done first in beams and then to slabs. Here you can see concrete materials are mixed in miller like cement, sand, aggregate, water, and equipments like level gauge, needle vibrator, pad vibrator, aluminium channel, miller, trolley bucket with track. Cross check whether concrete materials and check whether the equipments are working in proper condition. As per IS codes, grades used for slab concreting are M20, M25, M30. In this site, we are using M20 grade of proportion. The mix ratio is 1:1.53 for cement and sand respectively, and water cement ratio of 0.55. This ratio when converted to site conditions: 1 bag of cement, 6 pan of sand, 7 pan of aggregate, and 28 liters of water used for a single batch of concrete mix. By mixing with these proportions, we get a M20 grade of concrete. Here you can see mixed concrete is bought in bucket and poured on slab. Pouring height should not be less than 1.5 meters to avoid segregation of concrete. Now poured concrete is uniformly spread immediately to avoid formation of lumps. Immediately after spreading the concrete, needle vibrator is used every portion of beam for sufficient time and for proper compaction to avoid formation of honeycombs. Simultaneously, pad vibrator should be used on slab area for proper compaction and proper finish. Pad vibrator should be used on slab area with 45 to 60 minutes or at least 2 times of 250 to 300 square. After this, uneven concrete should be leveled by using shovel. Slab thickness is checked using level gauge. Thickness of the slab should be 6 inches. It should be checked at every 1 meter interval. To maintain uniform, the thickness of 6 inch all over the slab. After using pad vibrator, threading is done using aluminium channel and for finishing. Here you can see finished slab. Now this is ready for curing. Curing plays a major role for the stability and longevity of slab. Creating ponds and do the curing regularly for 14 days. Like, comment, share, subscribe our channel, press bell icon for notifications.